I think that it was extremely fun. I definitely recommend it to other people. Going through the mangroves is very cool, especially getting stuck and trying to find your way out.
Yeah, hi guys. This is your favorite guy, Celebrity Daddy. Yeah, I'm about to go on the kayak. I want to try this for the first time. You know, I'm a bit nervous, but I guess it should be fun. Bro. Yeah, I got you guys. It looks so scary. I've been out here since 5 a.m. Yeah, I'm about to have some crazy fun. You know how we roll? Yeah. So I have my GoPro. I have my DJI Pocket 3 filming with this. Then I have my Insta 360 for some amazing shots. So right now, so they're about to board. You can see how this feels. Yeah, that's the coach. These are the kind of boats be on, you know. And this is the paddle. Can you see this? Gulf spot waters. It's gonna be fun. Woo! This is massive, baby. It's gonna be fun. You're from Tunisia?
Yeah, North Africa.
Oh wow, amazing,
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm from Nigeria.
This is tour of mangrove. We have tour in every week. We have maybe 2 days in every week, and this is tour with a guide, touristic. He know every information for this tour.
Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Welcome.
Yes. Yeah. Are we good?
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I'm about to hit the kayak right now. Yeah. Oh, I should come in? Oh wow. Okay, so I should be in front, right? Oh wow. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. That's all? No belt? I'm safe? No belt to hold me?
No belt. You will not fall down.
So, but what?
You have the safety life jacket, so you will not fall down.
Okay.
I give you a fast
But-
little instruction
Okay.
how to use this one, or you know.
Okay.
You know how to use it?
No, tell me.
Okay. See, there is this is paddle, okay?
Okay.
There is two angles, one short and one long.
Okay.
Okay. The short one should be down, and the long one should be up.
Okay.
Okay. And the curve should be in front of you. So it is like there is two color,
Okay.
black and silver.
Okay.
Put your hand in between.
In between. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put the paddle until the circle inside the water, okay, and pull it to you. So together, left, right, you will go straight.
Oh wow.
Okay. If you want to turn right, you have to do only left. If you want to go left, you have to do only right.
Okay.
That's
Okay. But right now, I want to be my camera. Can he paddle alone?
Okay, we paddle along.
Yeah. Yes.
بس علمته just for your experience.
Okay.
You will paddle along.
Okay.
خلاص بس روح just
Yeah. So about to hit the waters right now. Yeah. Thank you.
take care.
So yeah, my feet are wet already because the waters. And those are wind before us, right? So yeah. Hi, bro. What's your name, bro? What's your name, bro? Yeah, I think you should come do this. It's fun. Yes, come do this. It's a lot of fun. Woo!
flamingo bird there. So
Oh,
you saw them?
Oh, no, we didn't see them.
There.
Oh, there are many of them, right?
Yeah, so many.
Oh, that's great.
That's flamingo.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. What did you call those birds? Flamingo. Oh, that's good. I'm having a great time right now. Trust me. The feeling is amazing. I feel so refreshed, chilly, Yeah. It's a good way to start 2024. This is amazing. Yeah, that's the rising of the sun. The rising of the sun is so beautiful. Yes, I love this. I love this. Yes, I love this. Everyone is struggling. Oh, I love this. Can you check? I love this view. It's amazing. So we're trying to pass through a rocky part right now. There's a narrow part, so can you all see this? Wow, I don't know what this is, but this looks like a rock or something. But this is lovely. Yes. Whoa. Whoa. Hope you guys are having a great time. Yeah, that's amazing. Are we going straight? Which way? This way? This way? Okay, this way. Yeah. Is it your first time to do this? Oh, wow, my first time also. Yeah. They're from South Africa, from Nigeria. Bro, where you from, bro?
Syria.
Syria. Oh, wow. How's Syria?
Syria.
Oh, nice. Yes, he's doing a great job helping us out.
How you feel now? Still cold or?
You said? Yes.
How you feel?
Yes. I'm okay. Yes, I'm good. I'm feeling warm. Yes. Whoa, about to have a crash. Oh, crash. Whoa.
اوكي جو روح روح قدام عشان في الشارع بدكم تركبون عليها.
Yeah, so there's a stick. There's a stick in front of us right now, so it's quite difficult to scale through this. Oh, nice. I think I can help. I can see. Can you see this? I can feel the water. So fresh. I don't know if they have fishes in this water, but I think they will have. But well, can you see this? Can you see this? Whoa, woohoo, woohoo! This is fun. This is massive, baby.
Oh,
Yes, I love this. Yes, so refreshing. Perfect and good way to start my 2024. Yeah, so I'm glad I'm doing this. This is my first vlog. My first vlog. Whoa. Yeah, this is the second time we're missing our way. So, yeah, the second time we're missing our way. Wow, this is reversing. Can you see this? It's reversing full speed. Wow, it's reversing. Yeah, we're reversing right now. I didn't know they could reverse. We're about to have a crash. About to have a crash. Wow. Yeah. How's the experience? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah. About to have a crash.
سهل بس عليهم طقات بسيطه تعدون الحين نروح
Woo. Woo.
الحين نروح
Hi. You having fun, right? Yeah, we're having a great time.
لا الحين خلاص نروح
Oh, that's good.
شلون؟
الحين نروح سحبه Now we're going with the current, so
Oh, that's good. That's good. Whoa. So we are actually going with the current right now, so we're quite moving very fast. Yeah. So everyone is struggling to scale through this narrow path. Yeah, they're trying to get through it. Yes, because of this, it's quite narrow. Whoa.
عشان تختارون يمين عشان تختارون يمين سوي يسار اي بس طق لا قدام قدام
Yeah, it feels refreshing. We're back out, yeah, to the open, free, no more narrow path. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. I love this, baby. That's massive, baby. This is massive. Yeah, at last we made it. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, whoa. This is amazing. Yeah.
You're going to be a celebrity.
Yeah, she is.
Then you will have to sign autograph.
Yeah, so I have an amazing friend right now. So yes. How was your experience so far?
I enjoy it. It was amazing. I like it, and maybe I will come again also.
Oh, so how long you been in Bahrain?
No, I'm Bahraini actually.
So this is the first time to do this?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Maybe because the weather it was not okay before,
Yeah.
and I didn't get any of my friends to come here. Only with Amal, she said it's okay, so let's try it.
Oh wow. What about you?
I put my life at risk for her.
Oh really? Wow, that's crazy. So what's the name?
My name is Amal.
You're also Bahraini?
Yes, I am.
Oh, so this is your first time?
Yes, my first time.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Wow, I was thinking you guys should have done this maybe 10 times or 50 times, but this is your first time. So how did you feel like? How did it feel like?
Well, it's a different experience. I mean, nothing that I have expected. So I believe if you come here, like not to expect anything and just do it,
Yeah.
then experience it, right?
Oh.
So experience how you need the power to
Yeah.
go against the drift and the tides,
Yeah.
how to just let go and then let the kayak move by itself,
Oh wow.
by the current. So
Yeah.
it was really an amazing experience. The serenity and the calmness, you know.
Wow. Wow.
This is the most thing that I enjoy. Just everything is quiet and I can hear the birds and see the nature.
حاول
Wow.
أصدق.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. She feels like she's the coach already.
Yeah.
So you guys love to do this, right?
Yeah.
So both of you were on the same boat, on the same kayak, right?
Yeah.
So who was doing the more work? Was it you or she?
She actually.
Oh, really? So what were you doing? You were
she
just
was screaming also.
I think you're the one behind.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, they're amazing. We had a great time. Yeah. Thank you all. Yeah.